He also taught Mowgli the stranger's hunting call. To identify stranger's hunting call also. This call must be used whenever anyone hunts outside his own grounds. Outside his own ground means outside his own area. It means give me permission to hunt here because I am hungry. And the answer is hunt then for food but not for pleasure. When somebody grants permission to hunt in that area to satisfy his hunger, and the answer is hunt then for food but not for pleasure, means if one is hungry, then only he can hunt there, not for happiness. From the branches above, the Bandar-log would watch Mowgli learn and play. So from the branches, the Bandar-log, the monkeys, they would watch Mowgli to learn all these things, all these rules, all these ways to live in a jungle. They watched his nimble fingers make things out of twigs. Nimble fingers. Nimble means quick movement, quick and light in movement or action. So they watched him using his nimble fingers to make things out of twigs. Twig means a slender woody shoot growing from a branch. So they found him to be very wise indeed and wanted him in their tribe. Now he is using his fingers quick and light in movement, in action, and making things out of those woody shoots growing from a branch. He used to use those twigs to make things. So they watched him and they found him that Mowgli is very wise, and they wanted him to join their tribe. Tribe means their group. Then Mowgli would share his skills and wisdom. Skills, the ability to do something. So they believe that he could lead their group. So they believe that Mowgli could be their leader. He is having such good skills and he is wise also. They want him to join their group. The monkeys loved this idea because they wanted everyone in the jungle to be envious of their tribe. Now, why they want Mowgli to be their leader? Because he is having skills and wisdom also, and they want that he should be their leader, and everyone in the jungle should be jealous of their tribe. Envious means feeling jealous. So one day, as Mowgli slept between Baloo and Bagheera, they swooped down on him. So one day, Mowgli was sleeping and he was lying between Baloo and Bagheera. So they moved rapidly downwards through the air and they want to take him with them. A group of them lifted his arms and legs and carried him away. A group of monkeys, they started lifting his arms and legs and they dragged him away and carried him away. The next thing Mowgli remembered was feeling hands on his legs and arms, hard, strong little hands. So Mowgli remembered hard, strong little hands on his body. He was feeling hands on his legs and arms, hard, strong little hands. Then some branches swished in his face. Underline swished. Swished means move quickly through the air, making a soft sound. Baloo immediately woke the jungle with his, underline immediately, immediately means at once, instantly, deep cries. The monkeys were taking Mowgli away. Now, immediately, Baloo woke up and started crying. And he was saying the monkeys were taking Mowgli away. Bagheera growled and tried to run up the tree trunk. Underline growled. Growled means to make a deep, threatening sound. And he tried to run up the tree trunk to save Mowgli. The Bandar Log hauled up with triumph and leapt higher to the upper branches. Underline hauled. Hauled means weep and cry out loudly with triumph. Triumph means when one feels a very great success or achievement or victory. Underline triumph also. And leapt higher to the upper branches. They started moving towards the high branches. Bounding and crashing and whooping and yelling, the whole tribe of Bandar Log swept along the trees with Mowgli as their prisoner. So with large jumping movements and crashing and whooping. Crashing means loud noises made when things break or fall. And whooping, uttering a loud cry of joy or excitement. And yelling, shout in a loud, sharp way. Underline all these words. So all these sounds were made by the monkeys. The whole tribe of Bandar Log swept along the trees with Mowgli as their prisoner. So they all captured Mowgli, and it seems that Mowgli is prisoner among them. Mowgli realized that it was useless to look down, for he could only see the top of the branches. So Mowgli, he realized means fully aware, become fully aware of something as a fact. So he realized that it was useless, it was all in vain to look down. There is no use of looking down, for he could only see the top of the branches, because he was only able to see the branches. So he stared upward and saw Run, the kite, flying in the blue sky. So this is Run. So he stared upward. He started looking upward, and what he saw? He saw the kite flying in the blue sky, and the name of the kite is Run. He decided to cry out to Run for help. So he decided to call Run that he must help him. "Oh brother Run, observe where they are taking me," Mowgli shouted to Run. Now he shouted loudly, and he said that please look, observe. Observe means see, that where these monkeys are taking me. Tell Baloo and Bagheera where they are taking me. Now he want to convey the message that please pass my message to my friends Baloo and Bagheera that monkeys, they are taking me